Party viewers. After Unity Optics in Karnataka, Mallikarjun Kharge was asked about the Chief Minister change, and this is what he said. High Command will decide. Party Chief is not the High Command. Is that what Mallikarjun Kharge is suggesting? He said High Command has the power, only High Command can decide on it. Clearly, power play is not just in Karnataka. It is something that is being seen here in the national capital as well. But this is, of course, the big breaking news that is coming in at the moment, viewers. Mallikarjun Kharge giving away what perhaps was always speculated, was always said. Is the Congress chief not the High Command? Why is he saying only the High Command can decide on what will happen in Karnataka? First, listen in to what Mallikarjun Kharge has said.
Say that is in the hands of High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. This is left to the High Command. High Command has got power to take further actions, but unnecessarily one should not create problems.
All right, let me go across to my colleague Imran, who's joining us for more on this. Imran, Mallikarjun Kharge saying only High Command will decide what happens in Karnataka. What is he suggesting? Is he not part of the High Command? And will the so-called High Command in New Delhi answer why Mallikarjun Kharge said this?
Well, absolutely. This Mallikarjun statement will definitely be used by the opposition parties, especially the BJP, who has been saying that Mallikarjun Kharge is not the real guy, and in fact, their Congress is making mockery of a Dalit leader. In fact, Kharge is saying that High Command will decide about it. Probably is referring to only three people there: Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and Priyanka Gandhi. So this is a question which BJP would likely to definitely will use this against the Congress, saying that it's not the Kharge. Mallikarjun Kharge will be used. Probably BJP will say is only a rubber stamp, and whereas the real power lies with the Sonia Gandhi, and Mallikarjun Kharge is only being used, played as a Dalit card. Now, this is very statement coming from the horse's mouth. He says that the High Command will decide. This is not the party president. A High Command is what definitely BJP will target and ask him. Even as Surjewala is here in Karnataka, in a short while from now, is coming to the KPCC office here to meet all the MLAs who are disgruntled MLAs over this, who have been making statements. But in the backdrop of it, Kharge is saying that there is a High Command will decide whether there will be a change of CM or not. Very clearly shows that there is somebody beyond him who takes the final call in this matter. Is not the AICC president. That will be a setback for the Congress. In fact, as well as the Congress is concerned, BJP is concerned, they will use this opportunity, effectively saying that Kharge is only just a rubber stamp, whereas the real power lies with Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and Priyanka Gandhi. They will take the final call.
Right, Imran, stay with me. I'm also joined by Guru Prakash of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Guru Prakash, your thoughts on what Mallikarjun Kharge has said, that the High Command will decide what will happen in Karnataka, despite him being the Congress chief?
No, this actually shows the character of the Congress party. You have to understand that Mallikarjun Kharge ji comes from Dalit community, but the history of Dalit leadership within the Congress party has been very complicated. They ensured that Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he does not enter the Lok Sabha. Jawaharlal Nehru himself went in campaigned against him. You look at Babu Jagjivan Ram. Babu Jagjivan Ram on multiple occasions has said कि इस देश का प्रधानमंत्री दलित नहीं बन सकता है. You look at Sitaram Kesri. You look at T.N.G. Iyer. You look at Kumari Shailja in Haryana. So there are multiple such examples where we have seen that the Congress neo-feudal political establishment has undermined the autonomy, the respect of Dalit leadership, and they have insulted. This is an insult to the agency, authority, and the autonomy to a Dalit president and the entire Dalit community. The entire Dalit community today demands accountability from the Congress party because it is the structural institutional problem. The Congress party structurally, institutionally remains a neo-feudal organization. They have no space for Dalits. Mr. Rahul Gandhi will go around the country.
Okay.
Will say, kahan hai Dalit, kahan hai ST, kahan hai OBC, but within their own party, right from Baba Saheb Ambedkar to Babu Jagjivan Ram to T.N.G. Iyer to Sitaram Kesri to now Mallikarjun Kharge. This is unacceptable. As a member of Dalit community, we demand accountability. We demand a response from the Congress leadership on this.
All right, Mr. Guru Prakash, thanks very much for joining us on Times Now. Of course, viewers, the BJP lashing out at the Congress for disrespecting people from the Dalit community and saying Mallikarjun Kharge has been completely insulted when he says that the High Command is actually sitting in the national capital in New Delhi and that he's not part of the High Command, clearly, with the kind of statements that he has made when he was asked about what has been happening in Karnataka. But listen in to what the Congress chief has said regarding who constitutes the High Command.
Say that is in the hands of High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. This is left to the High Command. High Command has got power to take further actions, but unnecessarily one should not create problems.
So that was, of course, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge making that statement when he was asked about Karnataka. But clearly, he has raised a lot of concerns, a lot of questions, a lot of speculation that was already in place. Now, perhaps his statement has validated all those speculations. My colleague Niyamika joins us for more on this. Niyamika, Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress chief, saying only the High Command can decide, suggests that he clearly is not part of the High Command of the Congress party and that somebody else is pulling the strings.
Well, indeed, this latest statement given by the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, raises a lot of questions upon the Congress party's top brass, because he has said that whatever decision is going to be taken regarding the Karnataka government's leadership, that is going to be taken by the Congress party's High Command. And he himself is the Congress president right now. And how can he say that this decision is going to be taken by the Congress High Command? If he is not the High Command, then who else is there within the Congress party who are taking all of these decisions? Because on one side, in Karnataka government, we have seen that continuously a power tussle has been going on since the Congress party has formed the government in the state. At that particular point in time also, we have seen that how there were two different...
यहाँ बिल्कुल बात नहीं करूंगा, जहाँ आपसे हर रोज बात करता हूँ वहाँ करूंगा.
So what do you say, sir? So BJP is alleging is not Kharge part of High Command.
नमस्कार, how are you?
So what do you have to say on change of CM, sir?
सर, ऐसा टाइम्स नाउ का तो एक एजेंडा है कांग्रेस के खिलाफ, और टाइम्स नाउ वो चलाते
No,
रहे.
sir, but we are asking the statement what Kharge ji has given, sir.
I am also saying Times Now runs a sinister agenda against the Congress party because they are BJP stooges.
So you come at the backdrop of infighting, sir. Statement, sir.
That is Congress's Randeep Surjewala, of course, blaming Times Now and calling it a stooge of the BJP when we're only asking legitimate questions. In fact, we didn't even say anything. It's your own Congress chief, Mallikarjun Kharge, who said that the High Command will decide what happens in Karnataka. It's only that we're playing out. It's only that, ladies and gentlemen, what we are showing you. So to blame us for having agenda, for playing out, news against you, wouldn't help the Congress party. Clearly, you need to introspect as far as your own leaders are concerned. It is Mallikarjun Kharge who has said that the High Command will decide what happens in Karnataka. Who is the High Command? Because all of us thought Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge is the High Command. He is heading the party. My colleague Niyamika continues to be with us. Niyamika, we just heard Congress's Randeep Surjewala, not answer the questions that were being asked and instead blaming the media, blaming the news channel for it, when we're only asking legitimate questions on the basis of what his own party chief has said.
Well, indeed, we have seen the reaction coming in on the part of the Congress General Secretary for the state of Karnataka, Mr. Randeep Singh Surjewala, as he is blaming Times Now for asking the legitimate questions, because it was the statement which was being given by the Congress president himself. It is not any such statement which is being made by the media or the BJP in particular, but it is Mallikarjun Kharge himself who is saying that the decision over the CM phase, the decision over the leadership of the Karnataka government will be taken by the Congress High Command, as Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge himself is the Congress president. So if he is saying that the High Command is going to decide over the CM phase, then who else is going to take this decision? Who is there who is taking all these decisions which are going to the Congress High Command, whether it is Rahul Gandhi or the CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi, who is going to be there to take this particular decision because it is something which is there in the minds of the people for a very long time since the Congress party has formed the government in the state of Karnataka. Even at that particular point in time also we have seen that how the two factions had come out in open. One is of Siddaramaiah, another of DK Shivkumar, and once again the chorus is growing as we have seen that recently only many of the MLAs have also started demanding and giving statements that very soon DK Shivkumar is going to be the Chief Minister of Karnataka because there was a September resolution which was being given on the part of the Congress High Command, the promise which they had made to Mr. DK Shivkumar. For that reason now the MLAs are coming out in open who are basically a supporter of DK Shivkumar, and they are saying that this time now in another 2 or 3 months there will be a change.
All right, Niambika, I'll come back to you. We're also getting in a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Shehzad Poonawalla has responded to what has been happening within the Congress party and what has been given away by their Congress chief. Listen in to what he said.
आखिरकार सच जुबान पर आ ही गया। जो वर्स्ट केप्ट सीक्रेट है कि कांग्रेस में अध्यक्ष की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, प्रथम परिवार की ही वैल्यू है, वो खड़गे जी ने खुद बयान कर दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि कर्नाटका का सीएम कौन होगा, क्या चेंज होगा, ये हाई कमांड तय करेगा। मतलब वो खुद हाई कमांड नहीं है, मतलब कि कांग्रेस में कोई चुनाव नहीं हुआ, मतलब कि एक दलित नेता अध्यक्ष बनता भी है तो उसको कैसे अंडरमाइन किया जाता है, रिमोट कंट्रोल किया जाता है, जैसे मनमोहन सिंह जी को किया जाता था। और असली पावर सेंटर तो परिवार ही है। ये पारिवारिक पार्टी, फैमिली रन इंस्टीट्यूशन है, फैमिली फर्स्ट है, पार्टी फर्स्ट नहीं है। यही बात तो बार बार शशि थरूर ने भी कही। उन्होंने देश को प्रथम रखा, परिवार को नहीं। तो बाहर मैंने भी ये बात रखी थी कि ये परिवार फर्स्ट पार्टी है, तो उसके लिए मुझे भी बाहर कर दिया गया। आज सामने आ चुका है कि ये फैमिली रन इंस्टीट्यूशन है। एक दलित कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट की कोई भी इज्जत और सम्मान नहीं है। पेपर में ऐड देते वक्त भी कैसे उनको छोटे डिब्बे में कैद कर दिया गया। नामांकन था प्रियंका जी का तो कैसे दरवाजे के बाहर रख दिया गया। सीताराम केसरी के साथ क्या किया गया, और अब खड़गे जी जो अध्यक्ष बने हैं उनको रिमोट कंट्रोल से कंट्रोल किया जाता है। ये स्वयं एक प्रकार से स्वीकार रहे हैं जब वो कहते हैं कि हाईकमांड कोई और है। मनमोहन सिंह जी के ऊपर भी रिमोट कंट्रोल था परिवार का। तो ये पार्टी रिमोट कंट्रोल्ड बाय फर्स्ट फैमिली है, इसका प्रमाण आज सामने आ चुका है।
All right, that was of course the reaction that came in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. But viewers, listen in to what Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has said.
Say that is in the hands of High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. This is left to the High Command. High Command has got power to take further actions, but unnecessarily one should not create problems.
Right, we're slipping into a short break at the moment. Viewers, news and updates continue on the other side.